This might be a sample. I'm not sure though. No, it's not. Okay. All right, so we found that. Okay. So now our sample is, we have focused on our sample at the lowest magnification. We can try walking through it. So we are at the top. This is going through the bottom. We can lower the laser transmission because it's pretty bright, and adjust our brightness and contrast as well. So we can also do that using the sliders here. Our sample is relatively centered, but it's not, the sample is not evenly illuminated with this light sheet. So what we can try instead is using the right one. And we can also position the waist of the light sheet by clicking on the red horizontal focus button. What we are going to do here as well is going to completely open the sheet width so that we have even distribution of laser intensity across our entire field of view, because we are at the lowest magnification. We're going to readjust the brightness and contrast again, so now you can see that in Y dimension the whole sample lightens up. The horizontal focus is set to this position, which is not the best because our incident light sheet is the right one, so we should put it farthest away from the incident light. Putting it in the middle kind of waste it, because one should put it furthest away from the incident light sheet. If we illuminate it with the left, it's equally dim. So I think in our scenario the best is to use both light sheets. But before actually activating both, I'm going to set the horizontal focus for each one individually. So let's just do it first for the right. For the left, pardon, this will be where I would like to have my focus. I will lower the numerical aperture slightly, and I will increase the laser power. I will also try to focus my sample a bit better so that the structures come in focus a bit better. So I'm using the small knob now, focus knob, to do that, and I'm trying to see whether the sample is getting better or worse. This is a bit worse. This is slightly better, but not ideal. Okay, so I think this is now more or less in focus. I'm going to disengage the slide sheet and engage the right one. This is where I want the waist as well, so that's fine. And then I'm just going to try to image with both, or engage both light sheets. Now we have both light sheets illuminating our sample, so it looks better. That happens when the sample is not perfectly clear or otherwise is very dense. So in that scenario, the best imaging parameters are to use the light sheets from both sides. So this looks evenly illuminated and focused, more or less. So I think I'm happy with that. We can see whether going in the Z, the sample is sufficiently well if our parameters are set correctly. So we have the atomator in this channel.